Got a rabbit in the yard, and there's a little ground squirrel coming up the hill there. And you know, I'll see rabbits all summer long, but when rabbit season comes in, I won't see a single one. And I'm seeing the same ones I was seeing last year, and they're bigger. But I can't shoot them because they're out of season. They go into hiding when season comes in. It's beautiful out here. I love it. Seeing nature. The rabbits, the squirrels, the ground squirrels, the turkeys, the deer. We got all kinds of birds out here. I tried feeding the birds. Unfortunately, the raccoons get into the bird feeders, but hey, it is what it is. I got to figure out a way to feed the birds without the raccoons getting to it. What the heck was that all about? I'm not shooting at him. Oh, he's just rolling in the dirt. Okay. Hey folks, it's July 1st, 2023, and my wheelchair ramp was in serious need of repair, so I shortened it about 4 feet. I still have the same angle of the ramp that I had before, and it's tied directly to my porch, and with the help of my next door neighbor Rick, a really good guy, I was able to get this job done in about 3 hours time. So life is good. I'm gonna head down to the shack because there's a good chance of thunderstorms tonight. I've never rode out a thunderstorm in a shack, and I'm interested in seeing what it's going to be like. It's never been struck by lightning, but so hey, stay tuned. We'll see what happens. I've checked the radar several times, and there's nothing really ominous heading this way. It looks like all of it is already east of us, but I don't know which way it's coming from, so I don't have a really good signal out here, so I can't tell which way the weather's moving. So anyway, I'm here at the shack. I'm gonna get myself inside, set up my fishing pole, and get ready to do some fishing. few fireworks going off in the neighborhood. Just some locals shooting some off, nothing special going on really. So here I am. Let's see what happens tonight. Looks like I timed that exactly right. It's just starting to sprinkle. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Looks like the clouds are moving from west to east, straight east. I can't get a good radar picture because I don't have good internet service here. But yeah, it's starting. Perfect timing. Well, I got both doors opened up. It's plenty warm in here. It's 76 degrees outside, but the humidity is 93%. So it's not going to be all that wonderful, but it'll be interesting, to say the very least. I've got my one light on. That is a solar powered LED bulb, and it has a battery that's rechargeable in it. The solar panel's outside. I've showed you pictures of it in the past. Well, the rain has picked up considerably. Right now it's just a light shower, but it's picked up since the last time I shot a video of it raining here. So yeah, I'm inside. There's plenty of fireworks going on outside. As you can see, it's twilight. The sun has set. I've got ample light from up above. You can't see me, but that's okay because you really don't want to see me. But anyway, I'm just going to kick back, relax, and I'll probably see you in the morning. Well, you can't see it outside, but you can hear it. 10 minutes after 9, and it's raining pretty good. So it's not going to be a wasted camp. Looking forward to it. Good morning, everybody. Look how nice and peaceful the lake is. It rained until about 1 o'clock in the morning. So we got a good 4-hour soaking rain. And looks like there's quite a bit in the bottom of my boat. That's alright, I can dip that out fairly quickly. So I think it's time to throw some baits out there, see if there's anything biting. Time to get some coffee going. Buy these Folger singles, and it'll take 2 of them to make that pot of coffee, but that's alright, because I'm going to drink that whole pot of coffee. I keep those coffee bags out here, and the coffee pot, and the cook stove. So, yeah, we'll let that steep for a little while. Meanwhile, I'm getting my protocol fishing rod set up, and we'll see if I can catch something this morning. I've tried already and did not get even a nibble, but I'm going to try a different bait, and hopefully that will work. Anyway, I'll just have to wait and see. Well, I got me a bass. I don't know where it's hooked, but I got me a bass. Well, I only got one fish, but that's okay. Bad day of fishing still better than a good day at work. Still nice and calm. Very overcast. So there's a good chance it might rain today. There's a few holes in the clouds, but not very many. Anyway, I'm going to wrap this video up. I got to dip my boat out and close up the shack and head back to the cabin. I'm going to make me some bacon and eggs. This is Greg. You've been watching Greg's Country Cabin Outdoors. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And click that little bell icon to get notified whenever I put up a new video. Thanks a lot for watching. Pretty well got it. Easy enough. In case you're wondering what that box was I carried out to the shack, it's a cooler that I have not quite finished. I've got to put a lid on it. I make these every once in a while. I found a whole set of these styrofoam coolers, three, all the same exact size. So I made that cooler, and this one's more of a stool so that I can sit on it, and it's got a lid, handles, latch. So yeah, that's what I do occasionally. I'll make something like that out of nothing.